Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift-2 6th of September 2020 question number 1. If alpha comma beta are the root of the equation 2x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 1, then beta is equal to what? This is the question in the house of quadratic equation, and at first our given equation is 2x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. This is our given equation. So that is equal to 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. And alpha beta are the root of the equation. Therefore, we know alpha plus beta, sum of the root is minus half here, b by a minus half. Therefore, we should calculate the value of beta. So beta is equal to, we may write half of minus alpha. So here is our beta. Just write equation 1, and as alpha and beta are the root of this equation, so it satisfies alpha beta. Therefore, we may write 4 alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 1, that is equal to 0 here. That implies here we get the value of alpha square is equal to that is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 alpha. It is the value of alpha square. So here we get the value of alpha and beta in terms of alpha. Now this solution is not present in option. So let's check the option backward method. That is, at first alpha square is not possible, so at first we check option 2. So let's check our option 2. So option 2 is what? Option 2 shows that minus 2 alpha. Option 2 is minus 2 alpha. So option 2 is minus 2 alpha into alpha plus 1. So evaluate this. We get minus 2, and putting the value of alpha, at first we just evaluate this. That is 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha. And now putting the value of alpha square is equal to 1 by 4 minus half of alpha. So here we get 2 into 1 by 4 minus alpha by 2 and minus 2 alpha. It is remain. So it become minus 1 by 2 plus alpha minus 2 alpha. So here we get minus half minus alpha, and we know the value is what? This is the value of beta from equation 1. So this is beta from 1. So we finally reached, this is the value of beta, minus 2 alpha into alpha plus beta. So here we get beta. So we reached, it is our required answer. As you check the option 3 and option 4, it is not right choice. So option 2 is our right choice. So here you get the whole solution of question 1 of JEE-MAIN Shift-2 6th of September 2020. Now some basic information about quadratic equation. So let's discuss what is quadratic equation and quadratic expression. So quadratic quadratic equation and expression. What is the difference between quadratic equation, quadratic expression, and its concept? So the expression of type ax square plus bx plus c is called quadratic expression. So I write down to clear the expression of the type what is the type ax square plus bx plus c is called quadratic expression. As we know, it is from class 9 or 10 that this form is an quadratic expression. And what this expression is the in variable x, where we know a comma b comma c are what? They are constant and a not equal to 0. These two conditions satisfied when this expression become a quadratic expression. When this quadratic expression is equal to 0, we may say it is an quadratic equation. So, quadratic expression equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. Therefore, we may say ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic expression. Now, we write this one as, now we should here now we calculate the root of this equation. So how we get from this equation to root of this equation? Now just check in. So this is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, this sign shows that left hand side and right hand side form not equal, but meaning is equal. So here we write a into x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. So this so once again we may tell this tells us the left hand side and right hand side form is, right hand side are the same things, but the form must not be equal. So evaluate this one. So here we get a into x becoming a square one, so it is x square plus b by a, 2 into b by a into x plus b by making a square form, and we know it very well. So it become 2 by a, 2a whole square, that is 4a square, and it is the excess one, so b square minus 4a square is minus and plus c by a is remaining factor. So that is equal to, we may say, x plus b by 2a whole square, and this form become b square minus 4ac divide 4a square. Now we this is our common known form. We know b square minus 4ac is equal to, we may write d is what? D is the discriminant. That is discriminant of a quadratic. So again here we get some space here, so we write down, that is, it is, as we make perfect squares of two factors, so here we get, just write down b by 2a, x plus b by 2a whole square minus, it is, as we say, it is d, so we may write it is root d by 2a whole square. So just now a square minus, putting the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it is x plus b by 2a minus root d divide 2a into, sorry, it is plus here, and it is x plus b by 2a minus root d by 2a. Now form these two forms for our solution. Just arrange this way, that is x minus of b plus root d divide 2a. We may write this just like way, as if take HCF is this, then it is unchanged, then the forms are unchanged. So it is, we may write x minus b minus b minus root of d divide 2a. So if we call this one is alpha and this one is beta, and alpha beta are the root of the two equation, root of the two roots of this quadratic equation. So here we get a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. So we reached, this is our well-known form, and this is, we may say, equation 1. So equation, we change the form where so we get the root of the equation of this quadratic equation is alpha and beta, and we know that is d. So therefore again we know alpha comma beta is equal to minus b plus minus root over d divide 2a, as here we get alpha and beta is this. So in combine we may say alpha beta is equal to minus b plus minus root over of d divided by 2a. So some basic concept of quadratic equation and expressions is I think clear to everybody. So here is the some introduction concept and of quadratic equation, and a solution, and similar solution in from JEE-MAIN. So any question and any query about this video, you should just comment me in the comment box, or any questions about quadratic equations you must comment. So that's all for today. Thank you.